Hey there, future Americans. So you're thinking of taking a leap across the pond, eh? Coming to America is a big decision. It can be exciting and scary all at the same time. It's like trying to order a burger in a foreign language. You think you know what you're gonna get, but there might be a surprise pickle in there. This guide is your trusty sidekick, your map to navigating the wild west of the US job market. We'll break down the process step by step from prepping your resume to finding an apartment that doesn't require selling a kidney. Remember, the American dream is not a handout, it's a hustle. But with the right preparation and a good dose of humor, you'll be saying, "America, here I come," before you know it. All right, folks, before you pack your bags and practice your best howdy partner, let's get down to business. The US job market is like a giant buffet, lots of choices, but also easy to get lost in the sauce. First things first, research is key. What kind of job are you looking for? What skills do you bring to the table? Once you know what you want, it's time to scout the landscape. Check out websites like Indeed, Glassdoor, and LinkedIn to get a feel for the job market in different cities. See what companies are hiring and what the average salaries are. Remember, America is huge. The job market in New York City is different from the one in Silicon Valley. Choosing the right location can make or break your American dream. Okay, you've done your research. Now it's time to make yourself shine brighter than a bald eagle in a fireworks factory. Your resume and cover letter are your first impressions, so make them count. American resumes are all about showcasing your skills and experience in a clear, concise way. No long-winded paragraphs or fancy fonts. Just the facts, ma'am. And for goodness sake, tailor your resume and cover letter to each job you apply for. Networking is another crucial weapon in your arsenal. Connect with people in your field on LinkedIn, attend industry events, virtual or in person, and join professional groups. You never know who might have an in at your dream company. All right, time to dive headfirst into the job pool. Start by creating profiles on major job boards like Indeed, Monster, and Career Builder. Don't forget about LinkedIn. It's not just for networking anymore. Many companies post job openings directly on their websites, so make sure to check those out too. Recruitment agencies can also be helpful, especially if you're looking for specialized roles. They can connect you with potential employers and give you the inside scoop on company culture. Just be aware that some agencies charge a fee, so do your research before signing on the dotted line. Section 5. Acing the interview, preparation, etiquette, and follow-up. Congratulations, you landed an interview. Now it's time to put your game face on and show them what you're made of. Before the interview, research the company thoroughly. Know their mission statement, their competitors, and what they're looking for in a candidate. During the interview, be confident, enthusiastic, and prepared to answer questions about your skills and experience. And please, for the love of apple pie, dress appropriately. A suit and tie might not be necessary for every interview, but showing up in flip-flops and a tank top is a definite no-no. After the interview, send a thank you email to the interviewer within 24 hours. This is a small gesture that can go a long way in making a good impression. Section 6. Visa victories. Navigating the maze of U.S. work authorization. Let's talk visas, shall we? Getting a U.S. work visa can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded, but don't worry, we're here to guide you. The most common type of work visa is the H-1B, which is for specialty occupations that require a bachelor's degree or higher. The H-1B visa process can be long and complicated, so it's important to start early and work with an experienced immigration attorney. They can help you gather the necessary documentation and make sure everything is filed correctly. Remember, immigration laws can change frequently, so it's crucial to stay up to date on the latest regulations. Section 7. Settling in. Finding your feet and your apartment in the USA. You did it! You conquered the job market and got your visa. Now comes the fun part, actually living in America. First things first, you'll need to find a place to live. Start your apartment hunt online on websites like Zillow, apartments.com, and Craigslist. Be prepared to pay a security deposit and first month's rent up front. Once you've found a place, you'll need to set up utilities like electricity, gas, and internet. Next up, transportation. If you're living in a big city, public transportation is your best bet, but if you're in a more suburban area, you might want to consider getting a car. Section 8. The social side: building connections and embracing American culture. Listen up, my friend. America is a melting pot of cultures. Embracing this diversity is part of what makes living here so great. Get out there and explore. Go to local events, try new foods, and strike up conversations with your neighbors. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there and make new friends. Join a sports team, take a cooking class, or volunteer for a cause you care about. Americans are generally friendly and welcoming, so don't be shy about introducing yourself. Section 9. Legal landscape, employment rights, taxes, and staying legal. Now for the serious stuff, legal matters. As an employee in the U.S., you have certain rights, such as protection from discrimination and the right to a safe working environment. Familiarize yourself with these rights, and don't be afraid to speak up if you feel they've been violated. Taxes, the other inevitable part of life. You'll need to file taxes every year with the federal government and your state of residence. The U.S. tax system can be complex, so it's a good idea to consult with a tax professional, especially in the beginning. Lastly, make sure you understand the terms of your visa and keep your immigration status up to date. Overstaying your visa can have serious consequences, so don't mess around with immigration laws. Section 10. Conclusion. Your American journey begins now. Well, folks, there you have it. Finding a job and settling in the USA is a journey, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a whole lot of paperwork. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. America is a land of opportunity, where dreams can be realized with hard work and determination. So, go forth, my friend, and conquer the American dream. And hey, if you ever find yourself feeling lost or confused, just remember this guide is always here for you. Good luck and welcome to America.